And just over here. Try to stay still. No conversations. Try not to feel anything but just feel what it feels like to be seen, to be noticed. Why don't you partner with Kristen? That would be great. I've never experienced that with you. Thank you. Is it okay if he joins you for a moment? Thank you. I have to ask permission before we go into her ceremony space. Thank you. So just enjoy another minute. Try not to even move a muscle. Try not even to smile. Kind of just be uncomfortable but still connected. You might want to move a little closer. Okay, so here's what we're going to do now. Final 20 seconds. Breathe at the same time together. Get out of self right now. Drop the self. And notice no thoughts in your mind. And just see somebody that has the same birthrights as you, to be a human being on this earth right now. And we all want the same thing for each other, is to have joy and to love and freedom. See how much in this moment of this exercise we can drop in. Last 10 seconds. And then slowly close your eyes. Still stay connected to your partner. And then slowly open up your eyes. Partner A, please tell your partner what you discovered in that moment. When you hear the bells, we'll switch partners without any conversation and no response with the conversation. It's usually like a prompt. I discovered that you looked like the most beautiful person. I feel like I fell in love with you. I don't even know you. And be deep and be vulnerable. Be real. Share what's the first thing on your heart. Go ahead.